Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package. I'm going to show you a couple things that were sent to me from DiamondArtDecor. I got stuff from them once before, I believe, and they saw the video and they were like, would you like to show a couple other things? Sure, love to. So I only have a few things here. All right, 4 items. Thank you, DiamondArtDecor. Let's get into it and let's see what we have. I opened this one up, so we'll look at that first because, you know, I always have to open up something to see who it's from. So here's the first one. And I was surprised. This was a big one. I was surprised it was this big. Sometimes I'm like, wow, this was one of those times. Oh, this looks pretty good. It's not deeply creased. I like that. Not deeply creased. Okay. It's not huge, but it's bigger than your typical, 30 by 40 or 30 by 30 or whatever. So look at the colors though. Pink, 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 pink. Oh, look at that. These are all individually bagged. Like, I mean, not in Ziploc bags. Maybe they're not. I don't know. They look like they're separate bags. That's what I mean to say. Hang on. I'm going to slide you over this way a little bit so I get a better angle here. Okay. All right. Here's what I got. Here it is. Isn't it cute? It is cute. It's a 40 by 40 with 19 colors. 19. Legend here, legend there. We got this cute gnome. Everything's pink, pink, pink. He says, be mine. It's kind of like a Valentine gnome, right? Be mine. Look, he's got sunglasses on, heart-shaped sunglasses. And just like hearts and fun stuff going on. A lot of white background. There's a legend on both sides with the DMC codes. And it's an average stick, okay? I'm not going to say it's super sticky because it's not super sticky, but an average stick, all right? So isn't he cute, though? He's super cute. Little Valentine gnome. All right. Okay, let's look at these because I don't know if these are all separate or what's going on here. They looked like they were. I don't know. But then I think I see some connected. We'll just find out. No. They are. Okay, they are. All right, they're separate, see? So just lots and lots of pinks. Pink, 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 pink. Lots of different pinks, okay? All right, more pinks. Yes, we have more pinks. I don't know if some of these are the same or not. Like, nope. Nope. Are these the same? These look to be the same. Yeah. So some are the same, some are different. Anyhow, lots of pinks. And then we have some other colors. And it's the whites. The whites did come in a strip. Okay, interesting. So we have 4 bags of that white for the background. Okay. I must say, these all look like they should come in strips like that because it's that type of drill, but they're not. So I don't care. I mean, do you care? I don't care. They can be connected or not connected. All I care is that they're good drills, that I have all of them, and I can do the painting, right? So there's that. Pretty cute though. Pretty cute. Okay, what else did we get? Let's see. My theory holds true. These that look quilted, I can tear them open. The ones that are not quilted, I can't tear them open. All right, poured glue again. Let's do it backwards here so we can get into it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I might want to do this one because it is November or Gnomevember. And I might want to do this one this month for Gnomevember. Yay, I'm glad this is here. This one comes with tweezers. Do you see that? They're tweezers. And look, it's special drill. Okay, and it is, oh look, what do we got going on here? I don't know. Okay, it is what I'm going to call a bubble type background with a picture in the middle. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, I'll show you. Look at all those bees. Look at our gnome and the big sunflowers. So it's almost a completely fully covered painting. I mean, I think it's I'm gonna have to zoom you in. We're way too far out. Okay, there, that's better. almost complete coverage. The background is going to be probably 3 sizes of, I'm going to guess like a white, a clear or something. And then the middle, the gnome guy, is just special drills, rhinestones and special stones. So he's got like the bubble background and he's sitting in the middle of the bubble background. Okay. Isn't he cute though? I've been waiting for him. I found a couple like this with the gnomes. And I think I'm going to do this one pretty quickly. How creasy is it? We might have to get the iron out. I don't know. Look, we might have to get the iron out. We'll see. Can I get rid of the creases? I mean, I don't worry about the creases as much on like a full drill painting, but on the special drills, the creases show through. Okay, maybe we'll just let it sit for a little while. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. All right, let's get into these. See what we got. All right, I think we're going backwards. No, let's start here. Okay. All right, we have blue rhinestones. Let's flip them over. You don't care about the numbers. A whole bunch of clear. 1, 2, 3 bags. And then we have larger ones and medium. So here is the bubble background. The small, the medium, and the large. Okay. We'll make the bubble background. Here's going to be some of our petals on our sunflowers. Yellow rhinestone, a purple, a topazy, dark amber color. That's a gray, peach, gold, and this is resin black. All right. I'm going to love this one. Okay, we're going to have to do this one. We're definitely going to have to do this for November. All right. What else did we get? What else did we get? Yeah, I don't know. These just open easier for some reason. You know, whatever factory made these. Oh, this looks to be full drill. Look. Looks Christmassy, doesn't it? I don't know. Or I think it might be. Okay, let's see. Oh, I remember it. Okay, I remember. This is interesting. This is very interesting. This is something that hasn't happened in a while. I'll tell you what in a second. Again, with the drills. Okay. The drills are separate again. So you can tell they're kind of all over the place. Okay. I believe this is a pixel printed painting. It is. Look. Okay, zoom you in really close. And look, you can see the individual squares everywhere. It's a pixel print. I haven't had a pixel print in a long time. All right, but there he is. Look at his chubby belly. He's Santa surfing. Okay, whatever that's supposed to say does not show up. It will never show up. So I don't know. Maybe we'll just cover that up with red and just take the words right out because that will not show up. Okay, pixel printed. Interesting. The background is mainly white with like some little dots on it. He's standing in the sand. He's like on a little island. He's got a pineapple. See his pineapple with sunglasses? That shows up pretty good. Got a sand pail over here. I don't know. That's probably a shell, but you can't really tell. So it's not the best. I mean, it's small. Besides being pixel printed, it is a little pixelated. But I mean, you know, it is what it is. I like that it's not, okay, I like that it's not very creasy. I wish they were all like that, not creased up. So again, we have the white is in a strip and everything else is the loose bags. All right. I'm just saying, whatever floats your boat, Santa, whatever floats your boat. Okay. Hang on. What in the... Okay. We have a bag and a bag. The whites are in here like that, and this is a whole nother bag. That's why I'm like trying to pull them out, and I'm like, what the heck? I can't get them out. So there's a whole nother bag. All right. And here's some more white. It's the same number, correct? Number 20? Yeah. Okay, I guess we needed another one. I don't know. So, yeah, separate little individual bags. Okay. Yellows, peaches, reds, browns, oranges. All right. Okay. Well, interesting. I must say, I've never gotten drills like that before. Not a problem, but just different. Okay, last one. We have one more. One more to show you. Aha. Aha, aha. Okay, you guys gave me some feedback when I said maybe I thought I was getting too many of these, and people were like, nah, just keep getting them. This one's cool. Hear me rolling, 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 still rolling? There's a reason for that. Comes with tweezers. Here's our special drills. Okay. It's a quilling, but, okay, look, this is not right. It says it's a 30 by 40. Okay, I don't think so. Look. There's 30 by 40, right? We're not done though. No. Okay. It's not a 30 by 40 at all. I think it was advertised as a 30 by 60 maybe. But look at it. It's a big long one, and it's a guitar. I mean, how cool is that? It's a guitar. It's purple. So when I saw this, my daughter plays guitar. She's very musical. Look, it's even got some music notes spattered on it. And I totally thought of her when I saw this. The guitar, it's purple, which is her favorite color. It's a big, long quilling painting. I was like, that's pretty cool. All right, that is pretty special. I like that one. This whole area here has no drills on it. This is just a pattern, just like up here as well. But look, there's drills that go all the way around it to make like a border. That's pretty awesome. Wow, I like it. I knew I would like it when I saw it. I saw it on a couple different sites and I was like, yes, 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 please. Let's get this one. All right. Yeah, I think it's like supposed to be a 60. If it holds true, like it'll probably be 54 centimeters. And they're gonna go black line here to black line is my guess. 54 and a half from black line to black line, okay? So yeah, not a 30 by 40. And across is probably what, 25? Let's see. Like I said, they go black line to black line. That's a little bit over 25. Okay, all right, I like it. I like it. What do you think? Very unique, right? I love it. Let's look at the drills. And then we're done. Pretty quick little unboxing. All right, here we go. Let's roll them. Look at that purple. Isn't that pretty? A couple bags of clear. That amber color. Another purple. Is this the same? Yep, that's the same purple. Number 4. A pink. Look at another purple. Yay. Black resin and yellow. And a larger yellow. And red. The red, I bet, is going to be all these little. And the yellow here and up there. Yeah. Okay. Everything else is purple, guys. I love it. Purple or clear. All right. Love that one. Okay. All right. That's all I got, you guys. So, thank you for sending these. Diamond Art Decor. And I'm done. I ran out of things to say. All right. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new here and you enjoyed what I showed you. Think about coming back. I appreciate everybody's views, everybody's comments, all of that. So thank you very much. And I hope to see you soon. Bye, everybody. Hey, I hope you stuck around till the end so you can see this. It's not often I actually complete something I just unboxed, right, before I finish the video. But I did. Look, look, look. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? Isn't it adorable? It's absolutely adorable. I love it. I absolutely love it. It was so much fun. All these bubbles. Look how sparkly that thing is. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Look how fun. Fun, fun, fun. Peace, man, peace. I love the bees. The bees are so super cute, flying around him and his flowers. Look, look, what is this? He's got striped panties on. Not panties. Pants? Tights? Something like that. Match his hat, right? Oh my gosh. I just love him. He is so cute. Oh, okay. All right. I just wanted to see something that I finished. And there it is. I'm going to put it in here. I hope you like it. Sorry, I'm just a fool right now. I'm acting a fool. I can't help myself. Okay, I'm going to go now. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.